How to wash and sterilize baby bottle. Your baby immune system develops slowly and needs to be protected from any bacterium and any other harmful substances that enter his body. Therefore, anything your child has access to and is likely put in his mouth must be sterilized. Some of the methods used to sterilize baby bottles includes the following. In order to save time and energy, prepare all the materials and equipments you will be needing. You may need to use cloth to protect surface from soap and water spills. Prepare basins, feeding bottles that needs to be clean, soap, sponge, nipple brush. Once the material are ready, we can begin to clean the feeding bottles. Fill one basin with warm and soapy water. Use appropriate type of soap. Clean water for rinsing. Leave the other one empty. Rinse in running water to remove leftover milk. Disable the components, the cap, the nipple ring, the nipple, and also the bottle. Soak in the basin with warm soapy water. This will help to dissolve the milk that's stuck and clean it easier. Use bottle brush to clean the inside of the bottle in twisting motion. To soften the remover, the milk residue stuck on the wall and at the bottom of the bottle. Make sure to reach all each side in the bottom of the bottle. Clean the rim and outside of the bottle using a sponge. Use the soft side and do not scratch the surface. Use the nipple brush to remove the stubborn milk residue. Place the soap components in the empty basin to identify which already done. The cup, using a sponge, be careful, do not scratch the surface of the cup. Clean the nipple ring using a sponge and nipple brush if necessary. Clean the nipple using the nipple brush. Be careful in brushing. Make sure not to push too hard. prepare to rinse. Rinse the nipple in the basin with clean water thoroughly. Next, the nipple ring. The cap. Repeat if necessary. Inspect for any tears and damages. Place it in drying rack. And lastly, rinse the rest of the components thoroughly. How to sterilize through boiling. First, perform proper hand hygiene. In order to save time and energy, prepare all the materials and equipment needed. The feeding bottles that already wash, bottle rack, tongs, stove, stainless pot, and also the bottle organizer. Once the materials are ready, we can begin to sterilize the bottle. Fill the sterilizer pot with 3/4 water. Place the hard and large object first to avoid damage or deform. Make sure that they already submerge in the water. Cover and turn on the stove between medium to high heat. Wait for the water to start boiling in 5 minutes. Boiling process will eradicate the microorganism. Don't boil for too long, it may cause damage for particles. Leave the lid away from you, this will protect you from the heat produced by boiling water. After 5 minutes, we will place the nipples in the boiling water. Gather the nipples and gently place in the boiling water. Use the tongue if needed to make sure that they submerge completely in the water. off the stove and carefully remove the cover. Always use pot holder to protect your hand. Sterilizer tongue, carefully remove the articles from the sterilized pot and place it to the clean and sterilized bottle rack to drip dry.